Introducing the Wellbeing Nutrition Slow Burn. It comes in a bottle containing 60 capsules. The formula combines advanced liquid L-Carnitine, caffeine, and chromium in a 2-in-1 delayed release technology. This powerful combination boosts metabolism and helps manage weight. Wellbeing Nutrition Slow Burn is a potent fat burner with a plant-based formula. It stimulates weight management and helps in gaining lean muscle. It also aids in boosting metabolism, controlling hunger, and utilizing fat for energy. Caffeine acts as a stimulant to burn more calories and enhance focus, while L-carnitine enhances energy and aids in faster muscle recovery. The product comes in a pack of 1 and a pack of 2 options. To experience the benefits, take 1 capsule per day. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery.